Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Welcome guys and girls. Let's take a look again on the Forex market. Finally we could take a look at the euro currency. Actually this week we mostly were talking about the Great British Pound because the overall situation there was a bit more interesting, as you can see. So actually you could see that almost nothing is going on here in the euro. We talked about this level in the beginning of the week in the weekly report, and market still stands around this level. So actually we've got only one single trading stop in the beginning of the week on Monday when we said it should be it's possible to take the long position on the minor pullback here that we have done, and yes, market stands right now in the positive area, but it can't get through this resistance level. And currently, well, it still exists some doubts that market will be able to do this because overall shape of this action is mostly has retracement feature. And do not forget that actually this price behavior stands inside of the weekly sell-off that was 2 weeks ago. It's a black nasty candle on the weekly chart if you'll take a look at it, and that's pulled back inside of this downside weekend. Currently it could be treated as the pullback, as retracement, and as I said, this overall price action also stands a bit choppy and mostly looks like the retracement. As we suggest that this retracement, it means that some downward continuation still should follow when the retracement will be over. And it seems that, well, it could happen very soon. Today, unfortunately, guys, we do not have some fundamental events and nothing actually that could bring some activity on the market, if of course something outstanding only will happen. But based on the calendar, statistics calendar that we have at today's session, it's nothing actually important. So let's see what we will get. On the 4-hour time frame chart, our central scenario, if you remember, was standing around this potential godless triple to sell. As we said, that's, well, if market just start to move above this area, because initially we thought that could be reversal right here. It was confidence resistance, market was starting to form here at the hand and shoulders, and we said keep an eye on this pattern because that could be the sign of the possible downward action. But once market has broken this area and taken out of this top and moving higher, well, it has become possible some greater upward action, with the falling to the OP target of this ABCD giving us nice agreement area around 1850, which is the OP major level. I will show a major 618 resistance right here. And potentially, if indeed this scenario will start to work, take a look here, it could be the butterfly with the 1618 extension precisely at the same point. All the stuff looks really great, and if market will reach this level, this will be a nice opportunity for taking the short position, at least for minor bounce out from this level. But currently we have some moments that tells that this action might not happen. First of all, market also stands at the resistance, 18 even. Here was pretty nice sell-off out from this area. Here we've got minor grabber on the 4-hour time frame chart. If we'll take a look at the MACD predictor, we'll see that this is the bearish grabber that has been formed here. And take a look, we have here the bearish divergence between these 2 points. It tells that downside action could start right from here. It's also possible. It's interesting, by the way, guys, to check whether we could get the free drive here. Well, probably not. It's 1618 extension already stands in this area, so we will not talk about the possible free drive. I thought that here maybe we could get the free drive. So these moments tells that overall bullish scenario is not as cloudless as it seems at the first glance. And with these moments that we have, it's not really very good signs for upward continuation. On the hourly chart, take a look what really has happened. When the market has hit the COP, we said keep an eye on the pullback. That was on Monday, by the way. And watch for a confidence level. Here's will be chance to go long. So here's where you take the long position. Currently, this market stands in positive area, but it's no further upward continuation. within the whole week. So after reaching the minor target, market spent in some choppy action the whole week. That's really not very good sign. And take a look, market actually here is trying to keep some channel price action, but here it's stuck with this resistance and can't just proceed high to this level, to the upper border of this consolidation. So that's very important moment. And today, so maybe it's not moment yet for taking any positions, but it will be interesting to see what will happen. So here that will be invalidation area. It will be vital area for the market. It's breaking this level to the downside again. It tells you that no upward continuation will follow. It means that upward action is over. Market will break the consolidation. Market will break important confidence support after the CLP, and it significantly increases the chances on further downward continuation on the market. Currently, euro has no choice but just trying to move higher. If this will not happen, it means that probably the second leg to the downside stands on the horizon. So that's what we see currently on the euro currency. On the cable, approximately the same story. So the price here is moving inside the range of the reversal candle. Here's we talked about it. So the market still calling inside of this range, trying to push higher, but in general keeps the chance on another downward action as we suggested. So here is also nothing really interesting stands on the cable as well. So everything we have discussed in the previous updates for this week. So let's keep watching what will happen, but be careful, guys, with any positions currently, because, well, if you have longs, you could keep them probably with the break-even stuff, but no, this overall current moment is not very well friendly for taking the new positions. So we need some more clarity from the price behavior.